Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT if it shows too many requests or rate limit error. If ChatGPT says so, you're hitting the limit, here's how to reset it fast. First of all, wait for about 30 to 60 seconds before reopening. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen, find ChatGPT and then swipe it away. After that, you're going to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues, and also make sure you're connected on a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. Then open your ChatGPT app and then click on the two-line option in the top left. Scroll down, find your name, scroll down and then click on log out. After logging out, log in again. Tip: avoid rapid refreshing triggers the rate limit again, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.